What's going on, guys? Real quick, I just want to make this video. I have a question about the Hauppauge HD PVR. I have a minor issue with it. It doesn't happen all the time. It actually is fairly rare, but it happens enough for me to mention it. Now, like I said, it happens like 5% of the time where I'll be recording footage, whether it be from a game or whatever, and the audio cuts out. Video runs flawlessly. It keeps recording video, but the audio, it'll just go completely mute in the footage I record. I'll go to play it back, and there's no audio signal. It could happen 10 minutes in, could happen 5 minutes in, could happen an hour in. But it does happen. And like I said, it's not a common thing, but it's common enough for me to mention it. I want to see if anyone else is having this issue with the Hauppauge. I looked around on videos on YouTube right before I'm going to bed now, and I see other people having other kinds of issues, but not this one. I don't think it's a hardware issue. It might be let me look at it now, ArcSoft Total Media Extreme. I think it has something to do with that. But like I said, it's not common. I just want to see if anyone else has that problem where you'll be It's my phone going off. If anyone else has that problem where the audio will just cut out in the footage they just recorded, and all you'll see is video and the audio will be completely mute on their Hauppauge HD PVR. Okay, I'm exhausted. I have work tomorrow. I'm going to bed. Leave comments below or messages if you've had the same issue and if you know how to resolve it. I would say it was my computer going into sleep mode, but the audio cut out in the footage I recorded after 10 minutes, and the computer doesn't fall asleep for 30 minutes, so didn't have anything to do with that. Anyway, guys, I'm going to shut up now. Leave your comments if you had this issue or know how to resolve it. Have a good one.